Go to the private cloud and try to understand what is it. So there is a little uh, to no difference between the public and the private cloud from the technical point of view, as per design are very similar. So it is saying that the public and private cloud design is very similar. Unlike the public cloud, only one specific company own the private cloud. So private cloud will be owned by only one specific company, only one specific organization, which is why it is also called internal or corporate. Internal cloud or corporate cloud. That is also a name of the private cloud. Because these data center architecture reside within the firewall, they provide enhanced security. So data centers architecture reside within the firewall, or if you want to enter the firewall, only the authorized people of that particular company will use it. That's why the security is more. Second thing is the hardware that is related to the public cloud is the physical machine is dedicated for them only. That's why the cost is high of the private cloud, but the security is also good. Even though one organization run its workload on a private basis, the third party can also manage it, and the servers can be hosted externally or on premises of the user company. So either this hardware would be given by the cloud service provider, or this hardware will be owned by the user only or the company only, right? Only a clearly defined scope of persons have access to the information kept in a private repository, preventing the general public purpose from use. So general public could not access those data which is there in the private cloud or private repository. In light of numerous breaches, growing number of large corporations decided on a closed private type, as it is expected to be less risky. See, for the big company, for the government organization, actually data is paramount. Data is everything for them, right? So they cannot compromise their data. So that is why we have this particular concept. So many company who are, let's say, established company, they have their private cloud. The advantage of private cloud are individual deployment, right? We can deploy it depend upon our requirement. Hardware and network component could be customized. High control over the corporate information. So we have the high control over the information, right? High security, privacy, and reliability is there. So these are the advantages. The major disadvantage of private cloud is its cost. The cost is the disadvantage. It is entails considerable expenses in hardware, software, and staff training. That is why this secure, flexible computing deployment model is not a choice of a small or medium company. So this is not the choice, not a choice of a small or medium company, it is saying, because of the cost. Also, it is especially suitable for company that seek a safeguard their mission critical operation, or for businesses with changing requirement. So if there is a business who are which are in which the requirements are changing very frequently, so for them public cloud is good. And if it is not changing very frequently, then public cloud will be good. And if it is changing frequently, then private cloud will be good option for them. Multiple server providers. There are Amazon, IBM, Cisco, Dell, Red Hat also build public cloud. So here we can add VMware also. Now let's see the architecture of the private cloud. There is a private cloud and all the users are inside. Okay. And the outside user are blocked. So the access is blocked to the outside user. There is a boundary control, legitimate access path will be there. So if from the outside somebody want to use it, so it has to pass some legitimate uh, uh, boundary controller. Subscriber control security parameter is there. This is the parameter. So only the inside people can use it. Outside people could not use it.